I hope we are good today. So, we meet again in the next chapter. In this chapter, I'm going to elaborate you about the summary of adjective. But the first one, we are going to take a look at about the definition of adjective first. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which describe or modify a pronoun or a noun. Okay, there are some function that refers to the adjective. The first one, adjective can be or can tell us with the word of what kind, which one, and how many. So with the previous question, what kind, which one, and how many, it can be answer a question by using this following question. Examples: what kind of dress will be put on your body later? So the answer, I'm wearing a wool sweater. The next one, which one? Which one should I bring to you in the next meeting? The answer, bring me the red sweater. The next question, how many stuff should be bring by myself to you? The answer is, I own 6 sweaters. So the previous examples, it refers to the first function, namely what kind, which one, and how many. Okay, we're going to the next function. Adjective can be demonstrative. As we know, there are 4 words that refers to the demonstrative. The first is this. The second is that. The third one is these. And the fourth one is those. Okay, so before come to the next examples, I'm going to elaborate you about the differentiate among them. So how to differentiate which one is the something close with us and something far from us. So the word of this and that, we can point or we can touch it. So it means it refers to us. It is close with us. While the word of these and those, it is far from us. We cannot touch that one directly, but we have to come to that something or to that stuff that called as the this and those. And talking about the differentiate between them, it refers to the something singular and plural. So the word of this and that, it refers to the singular one, while the word of the those and these, it refers to the plural one. But when explain about the meaning exactly, refers to the state of, I have already mentioned before, when the word of this and that, it is close with us, while these and those, it is far from us. Okay, we're going to take a look at the example. This house is mine. That house is yours. These pens are broken. Okay, this is the example. Suppose that these are apples. Okay, I show this one. Those are apple sweet. Those apples are sweet. Okay, next, the next function. Adjective can be interrogative, prompt a question. Example, which book are yours? The word of what? What movie are your favorite? And then the word of whose lunch is this? So based on the question before, it is part of the question to show the explanation of the adjective. The next function, adjective can be indefinite. The word of indefinite means it is not clear exactly which one exactly and how many exactly. Examples, every boys wear a ties. So based on this sample, we don't know what kind of boy exactly. The specific one that refers to the word of every. Next, we ate a few cookies. We don't know what kinds of cookies exactly that refers to the word of few. The last one, Tom spent some times doing his course. The word of sometime, it is not exactly refers to what kinds of or how many times that exactly see Mr. Tom spending the course in the sentence. Okay, the last one. Adjective in a degree comparison. As we know, in a degree comparison, there are some kinds of types that refers to it, namely positive, comparative, and superlative. So with the different word, different changing sometimes, but in some word there is the same word exactly. Okay, in a positive one there is only one sentence, but in the comparative and superlative, yeah, it refers to adding a word of er and adding a word of est. Examples: a positive one, heavy. When we change the word heavy into the comparative, it becomes heavier. When we change the heavier into the superlative, it becomes heaviest. Okay, the next example. The word of positive, good. What is the comparative of the word of good? It becomes better. And we change when we change the word of better become the superlative one, it becomes best. So it is a level of thing when show it is more than the previous one. In Indonesia we call that one as lebih dan paling. Lebih is comparative, paling is superlative. Okay, we continue to the next one with the word of much. How if the word of much banyak tapi tidak bisa dihitung, when we change this word into the comparative one, it becomes more, and when we change this one into the superlative one, it becomes most. Okay, the last examples. The word of bad as the positive one, when we change the word of bad into the comparative one, it becomes worse. And when we change the worse becomes the superlative one, it becomes worst. Okay, those are the samples of the degree comparison. And before closing this elaboration, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the review of the adjective. Okay, so talking about the review, don't forget when we ask or tell about the definition of adjective, adjective is a word that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. This is the first thing that should be remembered in our mind. Okay, there are some questions that refers to the adjective. Yeah, the adjective tells about what kind, how many, and which one. Yeah, these three questions can be answered by the question of or the word of adjective. And also for the adjective, we can tell it or show it by stating the word of article. Yeah, as we know, the article it refers to the word of a, and the. Okay, everyone, I think that's all about our conclusion in this section, namely adjective. Yeah, we are going to continue in the next section with the different topic yeah, the next chapter. Thank you for all of your attention and participation. See you.